Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learn about link tag, mail to tag, tel tag. I hope you understand it very well. Today we will learn about image tag. So for this we will open our editor. I will make new file. I will set the title of our web page. I will save the file. By using image tag, we will display the image on a web page, right? For this there is an img tag. Usually tag have the opening and the closing end, but in image tag we have only opening tag, right? We can display the image by using three methods. In number one method, our file and the image will be placed in same folder. In image tag there is an attribute. Src means source means the destination of the image, right? Our file is placed in HTML5 folder, and in the same folder there's an image name is one. We can see the extension of the image by right click on the image. You can see its extension is .png. One.png, right? We will save it and I will open the file in a web browser, right? You can see it shows the image. So now I can differentiate the three method with the heading tag, right? Number one method is image will place in same folder, right? I will show you, right? Image will place in same folder, right? Now the other method is image will place in different folder or location. In HTML5 folder we have the folder name is images, and I have one images in the images folder. I will see the extension of this image is .jpg, right? I will copy the name of this image. I will give the path of this image, right? It plays in images slash .jpg, right? I will save it and reload the page. Number two method is image will place in different folder or location, right? Now the method number three, image will placed online on different website, right? We have a website deepus.pk. I will show this image on my web page. I will right click on the image, copy image link. I will place the source of this image, right? I will reload the page, right? You can see it display the online image on my web page. We can see it, number one image is too much wide, so for this we can use image attributes or width and height. I will give the width 300 and height 200, 200 pixels, right? We can mention it or not, there's no issue about it, right? I will save it and reload the page. You can see it now, it's 300 pixels wide and 200 pixels its height, right? One more tag in the image is the all tag. If by mistake our image is not displayed due to type, due to spelling mistake or any other, then we will show the all tag, right? I'm showing the right. I will reload the page. Now it show image is not available, right? We can set the link on a web page, right? On third image I will implement the link, right? A href close, and I will end it the image with forward slash a, right? In href we will set the destination of the link, right? I will give this URL to my image. So when I will click on the image, it will go to this URL. I will close this URL, right? In href tag, I will place this URL, right? I will save it and reload the page, right? Now I will click on the link. It will go to the deepus.pk website, right? But you can note the one point here, it shows the image in the same tab. So for this we will have the attribute target in the link tag, right? I will save it and reload the page. Now when I will click on the link, it will open the link in a new tab. You can see it, right? On professional website, usually when our mouse is hover on the image, it shows some message, right? We can see that. So for this we will use a title attribute. I will reload the page. My mouse is over the image, it shows the message bowl is for kitchen, right? In today's lecture I hope you understand it very well. For any issue or query, please comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.